All right, so as I wire wheel, remember this is our initial hole we found. So as the undercoat comes off, take a gander at all this rust. Like this was just undercoat holding this together. This is super thin right here and rotten. So I'm gonna keep wire wheeling. And look up here, this was all undercoat, but you can see the rust goes up to here. So we're gonna continue wire wheeling. I wanna get this clean. It looks like this is pretty solid here, but I definitely wanna come over here and see, get this undercoat off. And then that's just the vibration of the wire wheel has uncovered that. So I'd like to get up in here, which you can see it's clean and then not. So let's see what we got going here, and we will continue on. Fun. All right, so a little more wire wheeling has definitely located the extremely thin parts of our floor pan. I mean, this wasn't even a hole a little bit ago, but it is now because there was no metal there. It was just undercoat. The more you look at it funny and it comes apart. So I definitely want to get over to here where it curves upward. And goes to our tab, as you can see on the new one. There's that right there. Definitely want to get up to there just to see what we can save as basically a mate for it. If this is good right here, then we know where we can cut and help. It'll also help with rigidity. But yeah, look how thin that is right there, everybody. Not happy metal. Not happy metal. Come on, focus, please. Focus for me. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Not happy. All right, so more than likely, I am gonna replace this entire panel because up here, you can even see where there's rust pitting here. That's about ready to come apart. It's really soft too. But look, as we go, rust, 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 rust. Boys and girls, let me explain to you one thing. Don't just spray undercoat over rust and then sell the car to somebody. That's some BS right there.
Is that what happened?
That's totally what happened. They undercoated it and put the insulation on the other side, and you know, depending on how thorough the inspection was, yeah, maybe it wasn't so thorough. I hope it's not too far this way, because if it is, then we gotta go forward. But we'll look. And if that's the case, then we'll probably end up returning this piece and getting the full length piece. This side's fine. It's solid. It's nice. I feel it's pretty good. William, when you watch this video, do you want me to have at this side and see if there's holes or rust hidden under the undercoat? Like, this is some surface rust, but I don't really see anything. The only thing that this might be a little questionable, but there's nothing we can visibly see that's not undercoat covered. So, fun, fun, fun. And we'll go from there.